why you need to send a preservation of evidence letter as soon as possible after a car accident. Now, if you've been injured in a car accident, you need to act fast to protect your rights. And that includes sending a preservation of evidence letter to the driver that caused the accident and to that driver's insurance company. Well, why? After an accident, evidence disappears fast. Surveillance footage is lost or written over. Data from the computer black box in the car may get deleted or rewritten. Repair shops destroy damaged parts. Lots of things can disappear that would potentially help you bring a case later on if you needed to. So a preservation letter is simply a letter sent to the other side that requires the at-fault party and their insurance carrier to save evidence related to the accident. And without the letter, well, critical evidence could be lost. And without this evidence, your case may become a whole lot harder to prove, or maybe it's going to disappear altogether. So what happens if you send a preservation letter to the other side and they destroy the evidence anyway? Well, here where I practice law in the state of Nevada, there's a number of things that could happen. A rather minor sanction is the jury or judge, if it's a judge trial instead of a jury trial, may be instructed to assume that the evidence destroyed would have been harmful to the party destroying the evidence. So that kind of looks bad on the other side. If it's really egregious, there could be monetary sanctions or even a default judgment, basically saying, hey, at-fault driver, you lose. We don't even need a trial. Your destruction of evidence was so bad, we're not going to let you defend the case. So if you've got a personal injury case in the state of Nevada where I practice law and you've got questions about a preservation letter, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email and we can talk about it.